network. So that was actually pretty easy. With regards to the rest of it, the points of interest and the image processing, we've been doing more stuff with social media. And it grew really slowly. So the first couple of passes, we hardly had any contributions. But then we had more, and then we had more. And the Parajobe Pass 7 with the great red spot, I could barely keep up. In fact, it brought our site down. We were getting so many contributions that our software was just failing us. And, you know, and like I said, I look at them to make sure, all I do is make sure nothing pornographic. And actually, there's been none. And then I approve. And I was just approving as fast as I could go and still falling behind. So it was great.
I know that the spacecraft is rotating.
Yes.
So how when I know that it rotates with different speeds.
No, it's actually going at 2 RPM. It's quite steady, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're getting whatever shot you can this way, and then it goes out of view and then comes back into view.
Right, that's right.
So it's like 2 revolutions a minute?
Yeah, yeah, that's exactly right. We you know, the spacecraft is spinning as it's going past Jupiter. And so it's...
So what megapixels is the camera?
So it's 1600 wide, but the length is set by the size of Jupiter.
Okay. We will continue outside, actually, for a few more informal questions to meet Dr. Candice Hansen. I'd like to give a few acknowledgments because a lecture like this takes a lot of people to run. So I'd like to thank Mary Rauch and B. Dielman in the Department of Physics and Astronomy for doing a lot of the administrative work and office work, and the Gheens Science Hall and Rauch Planetarium for doing the physical setup here. Society of Physics students for putting up posters, and the Mortarboard National Senior Honorary. Are any members of SPS or Mortarboard here?
They've gone back out to sell t-shirts.
There are a couple of office assistants, Nathan and Kelsey, who are running things back and forth. Jim Rauch made the giant poster. I hope I haven't forgotten anybody else. Louisville Astronomical Society, yes, we're putting up posters and spreading the word.
What about for helping us fund it?
Yes, and the Bullitt Fund in Astronomy for helping us fund it, and also for the Society of Women in Physics and Astronomy for applying for a grant to help pay for a few expenses as well. Outside, we have some light refreshments provided by the Mr. Lowry Watkins Jr. and also the Society of Physics students, and also the Delta Sigma Pi business fraternity are going to be selling some physics and astronomy short shirts for in their various bodies. The Eclipse shirts are good souvenirs from the eclipse last August. And so I want to thank most of all, the most important people for having this event get put on is you, the public. Thank you very much for coming, and I invite you to continue the discussion outside. Thank you very much.